China's property sector is set for further shakeout with the announcement of a 5-year tax trial in selected cities. The move is designed to rein in rampant speculation in the industry. Under the pilot scheme, property tax will be levied on most types of real estate as part of a campaign to spread wealth more evenly. And it comes as several of the country's heavily indebted developers teeter on the brink of bankruptcy. Lo Minmin reports.
China has never had a blanket tax on property. So far, only Shanghai and Chongqing have implemented a limited version of a property tax, with a tax rate ranging from 0.4 to 1.2%. Hence, the announcement of a property tax pilot plan over the weekend sent Chinese social media into a frenzy. This despite the fact that details were scarce. And it's still not known how much the tax will be or who exactly will be affected.
它是对存量的持有的房产进行收税，那你就可以考虑，如果你这房子如果升值慢的话，你是不是要考虑要卖呀？对吧？肯定是这样的啊，你就不能像以前就是反正买了一直等着升值。
那房地产市面，我觉得，因为现在影响了居民的基本生活，包括像现在一线城市，北上广深或者更2线城市来说，我工作很多普通的工作者啊，工作一辈子可能都买不起一套房，这是我觉得完全是错的。
Due to strict capital control and low interest rates, many Chinese have put their money into real estate instead of banks or financial products. Reports suggest that some 70 to 80% of Chinese household assets are tied to real estate, while latest data from the National Bureau of Statistics showed residential home prices rising 56% between 2014 and 2019. But the new property tax pilot could undo one of the core beliefs of many citizens, that housing prices can only increase and never decline. And because there is already an oversupply of property, with an estimated 65 million homes in China currently unoccupied, some industry players believe property prices will fall when the pilot trial kicks in.
持有多套的业主肯定会抛出来一些，那这样的话对房，因为这样的供应就变多了嘛，那所以说它这个房价相对来说也会稍微就是浮动的空间会大一点。客户如果他知道这个消息，他可能就是买房的这个举动他可能会往后了。
But besides affecting home buyers, the new scheme could also hit government revenue. According to Moody's, real estate and related sectors like construction account for at least 25% of China's GDP. And provincial authorities have used sales of land to real estate developers to finance their budget. Official data shows local government revenues from land sales surging 165-fold over the past 20 years.
一方面是居民层面调节分配收入再分配的机制，有利于实现一个社会公平以及共同富裕。另外一方面呢，也能降低政府的土地财政依赖，然后能够更好的去募集一般性的财政收入，然后扩大税基，为全社会居民提供更好的公共服务。主要是这两方面，是这样的。
The announcement of the new pilot plan comes amid a liquidity crisis in China's real estate sector, with several developers facing defaults on their bond payments, raising fears of a disruption to the wider economy if they were to collapse. Experts say the new policy will likely disrupt real estate market in the short term and divert funds into other sectors like the financial markets. But if successful, experts say it could produce economic dividends in the long term and reduce the country's reliance on property-driven growth. Lo Minmin, CNA, Shanghai.